Hello, design lovers! Welcome back to the Daily House, where we transform spaces into heavens of style and comfort. I'm absolutely thrilled to share today's stunning fall transformation inspired by the incredible Becki Owens. We're diving deep into coastal farmhouse design that perfectly captures autumn's warmth while maintaining that breezy, sophisticated charm we all adore. If you're ready to fall in love with full decor, hit that subscribe button and let's create magic together. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start with the architectural backbone of this gorgeous coastal farmhouse. Those dreamy stucco walls. Becki Owens masterfully uses warm, neutral stucco in soft cream and sage tones that create the perfect canvas for fall styling. The textured finish adds visual interest while maintaining that clean, modern farmhouse aesthetic. This choice is brilliant because stucco naturally weathers beautifully and provides excellent insulation. The key is selecting colors that complement both your landscape and seasonal decor, ensuring your home looks stunning year-round while embracing autumn's cozy embrace. Nothing says coastal farmhouse like the graceful presence of olive trees, and Becki Owens uses them strategically to create stunning focal points. These Mediterranean beauties offer year-round structure with their silvery green foliage that transitions beautifully into full. Position olive trees in large terracotta or concrete planters flanking your entrance for symmetry, or create an informal grove along walkways. Their drought-resistant nature makes them perfect for coastal climates, while their ancient, gnarled appearance adds character and sophistication. Underplant with lavender or ornamental grasses for a layered, organic look that screams effortless elegance. The front door wreath is your home's first impression, and Becki Owens' autumn wreaths are pure poetry. Think beyond traditional orange and red. Embrace muted burgundy, sage, and cream with natural elements like eucalyptus, dried hydrangeas, and wheat stalks. Layer different textures, soft lamb's ear, structured magnolia leaves, and delicate baby's breath. Add subtle metallic accents with copper wire or bronze-finished berries. The secret is creating depth through varying heights and textures while maintaining a cohesive color palette. Choose a wreath size that's proportional to your door, typically 18 to 24 inches for standard doors. Step inside to discover Becki Owens' approach to entryway design that's both beautiful and brilliantly functional. The key is creating designated zones, a sleek console table for keys and mail, wall-mounted hooks at varying heights for coats and bags, and a stylish bench with hidden storage for shoes. Add a large mirror to reflect light and make the space feel larger, while a vintage-inspired runner grounds the area. Incorporate fall touches with a wooden ball filled with mini pumpkins, a small potted mum, and warm amber lighting from a statement pendant or table lamp. The living room embodies Becki Owens' signature blend of comfort and sophistication. Start with a neutral foundation. Think linen sofas in oatmeal or sage. Then layer in fall textures through throw pillows in rust, terracotta, and cream, natural. Wood coffee tables with weathered finishes anchor seating areas, while vintage-inspired lighting adds warmth. Incorporate coastal elements like woven baskets, driftwood accents, and sea glass colors for fall. Swap lightweight summer throws for chunky knits and add seasonal botanicals like branches of persimmon or dried hydrangeas in vintage crocks for that perfect autumn ambience. Becki Owens transforms stunning spaces into autumn heavens with thoughtful table styling that feels both elegant and approachable. Begin with natural linen table runners in warm wheat tones. Then layer in ceramic dinnerware with organic shapes and matte finishes. Create stunning centerpieces using wooden dough bowls filled with mini white pumpkins, eucalyptus, and pillar candles in glass hurricanes. Mix metals subtly, brushed brass candlesticks with weathered silver chargers. The magic is in the details. Cloth napkins in sage or rust, simple glassware that doesn't compete, and fresh elements like small potted herbs that guests can take home. The kitchen seamlessly blends function with Becki Owens' signature style through carefully chosen cabinetry in soft sage or warm white, paired with natural wood islands and vintage-inspired hardware in brushed brass. Open shelving displays beautiful ceramics and glassware, while the backsplash features handmade tiles in subtle sea glass tones for full style counters with wooden cutting boards. Ceramic canisters filled with seasonal treats and small potted herbs. The coffee station becomes a focal point with a vintage-inspired espresso machine, copper accents, and a small chalkboard sign welcoming autumn mornings with warmth and charm. Becki Owens designs family rooms that encourage togetherness while maintaining sophisticated style. The key is balancing durability with beauty. Performance fabrics in rich textures, sturdy yet stylish furniture, and thoughtful storage solutions. Position the flat screen TV within a beautiful built-in or on a weatherwood console surrounded by books and natural elements. For fall, introduce warmer textiles, willow throws, velvet pillows in deep jewel tones, and a sizzle rug that grounds the space. Ambient lighting through table lamps and floor lamps creates intimate gathering spots perfect for autumn evenings together. Today's homes need spaces that work double duty, and Becki Owens masters the art of beautiful, functional home offices. Choose a vintage-inspired desk in natural wood with plenty of storage, paired with an ergonomic chair upholstered in performance fabric. Add personality with a small vintage radio for ambience and a unique desk clock that serves as functional art. Incorporate task lighting with a brass desk lamp, and create inspiration boards using natural linen and brass clips. For fall, add a small pumpkin succulent arrangement and warm lighting that makes working from home feel like a luxury retreat. Every home needs a dedicated reading retreat, and Becki Owens creates these magical spaces with intention and style. Position a comfortable armchair. Think oversized linen or leather near natural light sources, with a small side table for books and beverages. Add a floor lamp with adjustable lighting for evening reading sessions. Incorporate storage through vintage baskets or a small bookshelf styled with favorite reads and decorative objects. For fall, introduce a soft throw blanket, a small side table with seasonal flowers, and perhaps a scented candle that creates the perfect ambience for literary adventures. The bedroom becomes a serene retreat through Becki Owens' thoughtful approach to coastal farmhouse style. Begin with a natural linen and headboard in soft neutrals. Then layer bedding in organic cotton and linen in whites and warm grays. Incorporate natural wood nightstands with brass hardware and ceramic table lamps for soft, ambient lighting. For fall, introduce deeper textures through velvet throw pillows, a chunky knit blanket at the foot of the bed, and seasonal elements like dried wheat in a simple ceramic vase. Window treatments and natural linen filter light beautifully while maintaining privacy and serenity. Becki Owens transforms bathrooms into spa-like retreats using natural materials and thoughtful design. Choose vanities in natural wood with vessel sinks in ceramic or stone, paired with brass fixtures that age beautifully. Incorporates subway, tiles, or natural stone for timeless appeal. The shower area features clean lines with built-in niches for storage and rainfall shower heads for luxury. Add warmth through natural fiber rugs, wooden accessories, and plants that thrive in humid environments. For fall, introduce amber glass bottles for toiletries, copper accents, and small seasonal touches like eucalyptus branches that release soothing aromatics. Even utilitarian spaces deserve Becki Owens' design attention, transforming garages into organized, beautiful spaces. Install built-in storage systems in natural wood or painted metal, with designated zones for different activities. Incorporate pegboard walls for tools and equipment while maintaining clean lines and neutral colors. Add task lighting throughout and consider painted concrete floors with decorative stencils or stains for seasonal storage. Use matching baskets or bins labeled clearly. Even garages can reflect your home's overall aesthetic through thoughtful color choices and organizational systems that make daily life easier and more beautiful. The patio becomes an extension of indoor living through Becki Owens' seamless indoor-outdoor design philosophy. Choose weather-resistant furniture and natural materials, teak tables, wicker seating with comfortable cushions and outdoor fabrics. Create intimate conversation areas with outdoor rugs that define spaces and add comfort underfoot. Incorporate lighting through string lights, lanterns, or built-in fixtures that extend usable hours. For fall, add outdoor throw pillows in seasonal colors, portable fire features for warmth, and container gardens with full-blooming plants like chrysanthemums and ornamental cabbage that provide color and texture. Let me share some insider secrets that make Becki Owens' designs so successful. First, always start with a neutral foundation, walls, major furniture pieces, and flooring in timeless colors allow you to change seasonal accents easily. Second, invest in quality natural materials that age beautifully and improve over time. Third, layer textures rather than colors. This creates visual interest without overwhelming spaces. Finally, edit ruthlessly. Coastal farmhouse style celebrates simplicity and functionality. Choose pieces you truly love and arrange them thoughtfully with plenty of breathing room. Remember, less is often more in achieving the effortless elegance. One of Becki Owens' greatest talents is creating spaces that transition beautifully between seasons while maintaining their core aesthetic. The secret is having foundational pieces in neutral tones and natural materials, then switching out accessories, textiles, and botanical elements seasonally. For fall, introduce warmer metals like brass and copper, richer textiles in velvet and wool, and organic elements like branches, pinnacones, and seasonal produce. Store off-season items in beautiful baskets or vintage suitcases that can themselves serve as decorative elements. This approach keeps your home fresh while being budget-conscious and sustainable. The difference between good and great design lies in the finishing touches, and Becki Owens excels at these meaningful details. Consider hardware carefully: brushed brass cabinet pulls, vintage-inspired door handles, and thoughtfully chosen light fixtures that serve as jewelry for your rooms. Incorporate books as decorative elements, choosing covers that complement your color palette. Add life through plants. They purify air while adding natural beauty. For fall, these details might include small copper planters with succulents, vintage brass bookends, amber glass vessels, and carefully curated collections of natural objects that tell your story. You don't need a designer budget to achieve Becki Owens' coastal farmhouse style. Start by shopping your own home, repurpose items in new ways, and rearrange furniture for fresh perspectives. Invest in paint. It's the most affordable way to transform any space dramatically. Choose a few high-impact pieces like beautiful lighting or a statement mirror, then fill in with budget-friendly finds from thrift stores and discount retailers. Dye elements like painted furniture, handmade, wreaths, and styled vignettes add personal touches that make your home uniquely yours while staying within budget. Becki Owens' approach naturally aligns with sustainable living through emphasis on natural materials, quality pieces that last, and vintage finds that give new life to existing items. Choose furniture made from responsibly sourced materials and opt for organic textiles when possible. Incorporate living plants that improve indoor air quality, and consider seasonal decorating with items from your own yard or local farmers markets. Repurpose containers and vessels for new uses, and invest in energy-efficient lighting that reduces environmental impact. This mindful approach creates beautiful spaces while honoring our responsibility to the environment. As we conclude this beautiful tour through Becki Owens-inspired coastal farmhouse full design, remember that creating your dream home is a journey, not a destination. Start with one room or even one corner, implementing the principles we've discussed. Today, focus on natural materials, neutral foundations, thoughtful functionality, and seasonal touches that bring joy. Trust your instincts while drawing inspiration from these timeless design principles. Your home should tell your story while embracing the beauty of each season. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House for more design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up and share your own coastal farmhouse transformations in the comments below.